Most growth problems aren't really problems.
They're alignment problems, masquerading as marketing, hiring, or ops issues.
When your team is unclear, your message is fuzzy. Your plan is living in your head, or worse, on a sticky note.
No. That's where our workshop comes in.
We give you the structure to get everything out of your brain and into a clear, actionable framework.
Absolutely. This is so that your team can rally around your vision, not just survive another quarter.
When you align your leadership with your brand and your strategy, that's when things really start to happen and accelerate.
That's right. You don't need more duct tape. You need a system that works together.
Let's make alignment your edge. Make alignment your superpower that helps you multiply the bottom line.
Absolutely. I'm Suzanne Tulien, Brand Clarity Catalyst with Brand Ascension.
And I'm Mark Bittle with ConnectionMark. Our 6-week workshop is the reset your business deserves.
Apply now and lead your business with clarity and conviction. We'll see you there.